Did you teach, can you do speech therapy for your baby? Oh, let me see your horsey. Jelana, can I see your monkey? Monkey. Is that your monkey? Let me see your monkey.
Bye.
Ni, mayroon pa? Is that a monkey? Yeah. Let me see. There's an orange one. You can wear the orange one.
I want this one.
Okay.
Wait, Mom, can I? Oh, can I?
I think, yeah, you can.
Okay.
I think that's why we need to go to Duluth.
Thank you, Mom.
Honey, that's why we need to go to Duluth.
That's my hair. Can I have it? But that's my hairbrush. I'm playing with you, so can I have it back? I need that for tomorrow.
Oh, just leave it right there. It's not what you
Thank you. I'll be back.
All you have to do is... Grabe naman si Jelana.
Jelana, you're not playing nicely.
Let me see, busy na naman siya. What's the name of your baby doll? Mayumi? What's the name? Momo?
Juanita.
Ano pangalan ng baby doll niya? Mema o Momo?
Iba.
Oh, Ibak? Ala. Ala, best friend niya eh. What's the name?
I want Iba. Your friend?
Your best friend, Iba. Mm. Eva. Eva.
Your friend. Okay? Iba.
Ala, mali. Grammar. Teach grammar. Iva. Ibang iba ka.
Eba.
No. Iba ka nga.
Iba. Eba. 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 I want Iba. No, officer, please get off. I want
Julene, can you clean the hoverboard and you can pray with the hoverboard? Clean the hoverboard. The one without it, so you can play with the hoverboard.
Eba.
Clean it before you bring it here.
Eba.
Teach grandma. Show grandma the tongue.
Nawala na yung kaniyang lang ko.
Yung unicorn? Asan?
Ewan ko sa kanya, hinahanap ko. Baka nasa taas.
Sinuot niya kanina?
Hindi nagdala siya.
Suot niya kahapon.
Kagaling siya kanina pumasok.
Ay nga. Jelana, where's your unicorn hair?